Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fan has power and that you can access its controls. If you use the remote, pick it up now. If you use the Atomberg app, open the app and make sure your phone is on the same network. Look at the fan display or app status and identify whether it currently shows sleep or a timer. Once done, you'll be ready to change modes quickly. The next step is to find the exact sleep toggle or button. You now perform the core action. Using the remote, press the sleep button once and watch the fan's indicator change to normal or show no sleep icon. If you're in the app, go to fan settings, then mode, and toggle sleep off. The change should sync within a few seconds. If your fan is connected to Google or Alexa, make sure no automation or routine reasserts sleep. Disable that routine or unlink the device if it keeps reverting. You finish by verifying the change. Observe the fan for a minute or two to ensure it stays at normal speed and the sleep icon is gone. If sleep returns, power the fan off at the mains for 10 seconds and power it back on, then reapply the setting. If the problem persists, remove and repair the device in the app or check for a firmware update. These steps usually fix sync issues. If still unresolved, contact Atomberg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.